Hi, I'm Martin Richards for Imperial Productions. This is a Tuscan base, which is a simplified Doric style. Although a classical style, Tuscan bases have a great appeal in modern architecture. The round portion is called the torus, and the square is the plinth. This is an attic base, which has an upper and a lower torus with a scotia in between. That's the concave part. Attic is used with classical styles such as Doric, Roman Corinthian, Roman Ionic, Scamozzi, Temple of the Winds, or known as Tower of the Winds. Both Tuscan and Attic composite bases are made from molds. Therefore, the sections that are joined together, the upper and the lower, cannot be ordered separately. We have sorted Tuscan and Attic bases on our website by the diameter of the hole. As you scroll down the page, the center hole gets larger. We offer 3 composite materials. Arc polymer is a synthetic wood with the same consistency as white pine. FRP polycomp is a harder and heavier material. It's a mix of calcium carbonate, marble chips, and resins. Fiberglass is a light material, very good for very large bases. In all materials, you can request a Class A fire-rated option for commercial applications. All the materials are water, insect, and rot resistant. Being hollow, they do not support any load. So when you cut away your rotted base, you may have to order a load-bearing plug to go under the column shaft to hold the weight. You can also order the bases split for reassembly to go around the shaft. To know which hollow base you will need, you will require a piece of string, tape, and a tape measure. At the bottom of the shaft, tape one end of the string to the shaft, wrap it around the shaft to get the length of the string. So just as we've done here, this is the circumference of the bottom of the shaft. You now take the length of string and divide it by 3.14 or pi to get the diameter. An example would be a piece of string which is 40 inches long divided by 3.14 diameter would give you 12.73 inches, or rounded up at 12 3/4. Since we're cutting the base, we need to add a 1/4 inch to the diameter to compensate for the thickness of the blade. Therefore, our base needs to be a model with a 13-inch hole or larger. All of the bases are made from molds, therefore pick one that is slightly larger than the 13-inch that you have calculated. Paint and prime the bases prior to installing. Join the 2 halves together with the approved adhesive and cover the joints with our polyspackling compound. Sand and touch up the paint after it's installed. For those that want custom sizes, you can select hardwood, such as white oak, cedar, or pine for exact dimensions. The advantage of wood is that each micro measurement can be duplicated, and you can buy a separate torus and plinth, as they do come in 2 parts. For wood, we accept small orders. Remember, wood is a green product that has lasted on many homes for more than 50 years. Today, there are great chemical treatments for wood to help preserve it. If you have larger volumes, you can request a quote on custom-made composite bases. There is a form on the page on the website for custom dimensions. Imperial offers multiple solutions to the contractor and DIY homeowner. Email us with your request for a quote.